Gonna pull the sticker off. We'll be taking a look at the D'Addario Eclipse tuner. The quick, accurate tuning, full color display, and limitless viewing angles. And we have the full color display, calibration buttons, and then the power button. It says some high quality instruments use nitrocellulose finishes, which easily damages when placed in contact with most polymeric plastic materials. While we have tested this tuner extensively and found it to be safe on most finishes, we cannot guarantee this will not react to some instruments' finishes. Remove tuner from the instrument while storing. Affordable no longer means compromise. Introduce the D'Addario Eclipse tuner, the modestly priced tuner with unparalleled performance. The Eclipse chromatic clip-on tuner offers fast, accurate chromatic tuning on and off the stage. The tuner features a full-color vertical display, auto power off, pitch calibration in a discreet compact design. The multi-swivel action allows for the perfect view and angle and can be mounted in front of or behind the headstock. On the right and left-handed instruments, available in a variety of colors. The CR2032 battery is included. So batteries are included with the tuner. And let's open it up. Alright, now we're going to pull out the plastic tab for the battery. Okay, turn it on. Turn it to 440. Alright, so now we're ready to get started. Okay, so I guess when it's in tune, we'll have the two blue lines and then the arrows, the blue arrows. Okay, it's a little sharp. Go down, tune it down a little bit. And this has been the D'Addario Eclipse tuner.